If you too want to buy a killer 5G smartphone, under $70, then Nokia has brought an absolute powerhouse for you. Nokia, the phone manufacturer, is a brand that people trust the most. Today, we're talking about a budget smartphone that packs a 64-megapixel camera and a massive 6000 mAh battery. Yes, you heard that right, we're talking about the Nokia 3310 5G smartphone. In today's video, we'll dive into the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this incredible device. So, let's get started. Features of Nokia 3310 5G. Display. First up, the display. This phone comes with a 4.5-inch IPS LCD screen, yes, with a keypad. On top of that, it boasts a 90 Hz refresh rate, so you can enjoy full HD videos in smooth clarity. Camera setup. Now, let's talk about the camera, because this phone doesn't hold back. It features a triple camera setup, with the primary lens at a whopping 64 megapixel. Plus, there are two additional cameras for more versatility. And for selfie lovers, a 16 megapixel front camera is ready to make your snaps shine. Processor. Under the hood, this beast is powered by the Qualcomm Snapdragon 485G processor. And for the software, you get the latest Android 14 right out of the box. Battery life. When it comes to battery, Nokia has gone all out, packing a 6000 mAh powerhouse. It supports USB Type-C charging, and even 15-watt fast charging, to keep you going without long waits. Price and launch date. Now, the big question, how much will it cost? Rumors suggest this phone will be priced at just $70. As for the launch date, there's no official confirmation yet, but stay tuned, we'll update you as soon as we know more.